Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix on your Samsung Galaxy A17 and that you're not receiving calls and calls go to voicemail or some either different errors. So it's a very common issue as I've came through and I had the same issue and I want to show you how to fix this issue. So as first, disable the call forwarding. Open your phone app, tap these three dots in the top right corner and tap settings. Here you have a lot of, as you can see, services, etc. Tap other call settings, not other call settings. It was somewhere here. Supplementary services, maybe, yes. And here, as you can see, we do have call forwarding. Tap that and tap voice calls. Here, as you can see, we do have no number set on every single thing. Select no number set on every single thing and disable this call forwarding. And make sure that it's turned off. And apart from that, check if you have your do not disturb mode turned on or you have airplane mode turned off. Make sure that all these things are turned off. The airplane mode, which is here, make it be turned off like that, and make sure that do not disturb is now off. So hold the finger from the top to the bottom, prolong this menu, and make sure that these two things are turned off. And it should work now. If you had it both turned on, it's because it may just decline the calls. Apart from that, I do recommend to reset the network settings in your phone. So at first go to settings and scroll all the way down to general management. Here you have to tap reset, and now you have to scroll down to the mobile network settings, not Bluetooth, mobile network settings. Tap reset settings and everything should be working now actually. This often fixes any carrier configuration issues without deleting personal data. After this reset, if you have someone to call you to test if the call comes through. But first we have to put our PIN code here and now reset. So that's how it works actually. Apart from that, I do recommend to clear the phone app cache. So go to your main menu of the settings here and scroll to the applications apps here. Now search for the phone application in your list. It's here. Tap that, go straight to the storage. It should be somewhere here. And here tap clear data. Now tap delete and everything should be working now back again. If calls still don't arrive, tap open the phone again and tap this clean data clear again, and do this 2 times maximum. And if it still doesn't work, find yourself a SIM card ejector or something that is that tight, like this one here too. Put this SIM card ejector here in this hole. This SIM card ejector comes with your phone, so you may find it in the box of the phone. Put this in this hole here and eject your SIM. As you can see, our SIM card is here. And now check the positioning of your SIM card, maybe try to clean it, reset it, just make sure that everything is working fine here in this area of the SIM cards. So let's place it like it was. It's difficult sometimes. And now let's place it in the phone back again, like that. Now you have to check if the calls are arriving to you, but if they are not arriving, you have to contact the device support actually, because it may be a hardware issue. But apart from that, contact the carrier as the next step. Yes, because it's not your fault. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.